In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the remote desktop application on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select system. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says advanced. Underneath virtual workspace, select remote desktop. And if you want to enable remote desktop on your Toshiba device, toggle the remote desktop option at the top to the on position and confirm. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.